Good morning, Walters and Wolverine. Today's topic for my FWBY video is the preview pane and the issues that come with it if it's selected and you're trying to save files from marking them with updates or markups similar to what I'm doing right now, which is back checking a priority that I sent out for checking. So as you can see, I've made some markups. I have one here. I'm gonna make another one just to be sure. I have the option of saving it so that I can, when it comes to updates, I can review it and accept it or refute it. Now I have here the preview pane and everything selected, and if I go to save, it's telling me that I have an issue with it being open on a different folder, on a different user or something like that. So you can hit OK and don't save it. What I recommend doing is either before you save, select a new file so that it's not previewing the file you're using that you want to save, or just unclick preview pane. And so once you do that, you can still select this file, go to my PDF, hit save, and there's no problem. So again, either deselect this and move to a new one, or just unselect preview pane and you can still highlight the current FWBY set you're working on, the PDF set you're working on. That's my fix.